In this video, we'll show you how to clear up some disk space in Windows 11. The best part is you can do it for free by using two of Windows' built-in utilities, Disk Cleanup and Disk Defrag. Let's start off with Disk Cleanup. Think of this as your trash collector because over time your PC collects junk files you just don't need. To use Disk Cleanup, from the Start menu, just type Disk Cleanup, then click to open it. If prompted, select the C drive and click OK. When the utility opens, click Clean Up System Files. If you get prompted again, that's all right, just click OK. In the dialog box, just click the files you want to remove. The best ones to focus on are your temporary internet files, the recycle bin, and temp files, but you can select all of them if you like. After you select the boxes you want, click OK. Wait a moment for the process to complete, and then it's time to move on to the next step, which is defragging your drive. Without going too deep, whenever you delete files on your computer, it leaves gaps on your hard drive, and defragging pulls everything together. Basically, it tidies things up. To run the Disk Defrag, from the Start menu, type Disk Defrag, then again click to open it. Now, if your PC has a hard disk, you'll be able to defrag. If you have a solid-state drive, we'll talk about that in a moment. To defrag your drive, here you have a choice. You can either analyze your drive first to see if Windows recommends a defrag, or just go for it and click Optimize fresh out of the gate. It's your choice. Typically, I'll analyze the drive first to see what Windows recommends. If Windows suggests a defrag, click the Optimize button and let Windows do its thing. Once the process is complete, you can close out. Now, if your computer has a solid-state drive, you don't defrag per se, rather you optimize the drive through a process called trimming. Put another way, just click the drive, then click Optimize. Give Windows a moment, and that's all there is to it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Now, here's another video.